Oh yeah, that looks great. Making me hungry already. Hi guys, it's our last night that we're going to be here. It's afternoon. It's about 80 degrees outside. We just went and looked around at some different campsites, Pruitt and Ozark, and we found our friend Steven, the one that was hiking through, and we had made some persimmon and peach cobbler, and so he actually got a serving of that. He was real happy to see us, got a hug and everything, and visited, and now we're back at the camp. It's about 2 o'clock and we're fixing to make some hamburgers. We're gonna fix everything early, then we're gonna take a nap, then we're gonna go see some elk. But here we go on our hamburgers. Got the meat all seasoned up. We're gonna cook it in the cast iron skillet. And just enjoy our last night here. We're glad that you guys came along with us. The meat's been in water, and so it's kind of not wanting to stick together. Hopefully I'll be able to get out a patty or two. Just got the fire going. I know we're both hungry. Campsite here is almost empty. How many campsites do you think are here? 25?
Yeah, 25 or 30.
I think there's 4 people staying here right now. There's one. Didn't get the meat mixed up that great, but I think it'll be all right. You'll forgive me? Hopefully we can get them to stick together, but the breeze is blowing, it's nice, it's quiet. The leaves have changed a lot since we got here, but I still don't think it's peak. I think they still got maybe another week or so before. And that might have been why we're not seeing a lot of elk. There you go. I have a feeling they're gonna fall apart.
And there it is. Gourmet hamburgers. Right off the grill. Pepper jack cheese, pickle, mayonnaise, burger, toasted bun, not toasted bun. With some vegetables, some onions, and some radishes.
We got some Pringles.
Some Pringles with a glow-in-the-dark canister.
Putting the ham on to eat. Got some nice big pieces sizzling away. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry.
Pan's getting close to being ready.
Hi, this is Johanna Parker from Arkansas Extreme Outdoors, and my husband and I, Chris Parker is my husband, and we're Prostaff, and we are at Drover Cowboy Church, and we are in a chili cooking competition. We'll also be making some cornbread and a dessert. And we'll be cooking that. Our cooking time is at 4 o'clock, where we turn everything in and it'll be judged. And I'm grating some jalapenos to put in our cornbread. And we're just here with a lot of nice people, and we just really enjoy cooking outdoors on our Dutch ovens. Come back and see us in a little while. Oh yeah, that looks great. Making me hungry already. So what are we doing?
Well, we're at a chili cook-off. We're making some chili, and here in a minute we're gonna do some, I guess you'd call it Mexican cornbread, because it's gonna have cheese and jalapenos in it. And then we're gonna do a blueberry lemon cream cheese cobbler for dessert. And like I say, we got a lot of time. It's probably about 12:30, and we don't turn in until almost 4 o'clock. So now we just got to keep everything warm. And like I say, I showed you a video of all the different people here and different wagons, and it's pretty neat.
It sure is a nice day. It's not hot. Hopefully it won't rain on us though.
So that's what we're doing. We're just kind of sitting here waiting to start a few things where it'll still be warm. And like I say, I just kind of give you an idea of different things people cooking, like the fried bologna and potatoes, and then the guy did a bundt cake.
Oh.
It popped out steaming. There's so many different things you can do with this cast iron. It's unreal. And plus you get to do it outside and outdoors, and it's cool
Visit
weather.
with people.
Chili is perfect. But we hope y'all enjoy these videos. I mean, we're not professionals. We just like getting out in the country and outdoors and visiting with a lot of people that enjoy the same thing. So maybe, you know, like there's a group over here with kids doing it. But it's an old-timey way of cooking, and we need to keep it going.